Hey beauties, I saw Jeffree Star's full face of Milani video the other day and that just inspired me to go ahead and try and do my own full face of Milani. So that's what I went ahead and did today. So if you'd like to see how I put together this look using full face of Milani products, then just keep watching. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It helps me out so much. So just keep watching to see my full face of Milani tutorial and review. So after watching Jeffree Star's full face of Milani video the other day, I figured I would do my own because I have so many Milani products that I love, and this gave me the perfect excuse to go to CVS and pick up some more Milani items that I've had my eye on. So that's what I went ahead and did today. So I got quite a few new products from Milani that I've never used before. I got my bag right here, and guys, believe it or not, this stuff, a lot of this stuff was basically free because I got so many of those extra points, those extra bucks. I had like $20 in extra bucks, so I got $20 worth of free stuff today. So I got this gorgeous new lipstick I can't wait to try, Bahama Beige. And I also got a gorgeous shade. I can't wait to try this. This is called I Am Positive. So let me go ahead and get right into it. I'm really excited today, guys. I've never tried the Milani setting powder, so I'm so excited to try this. And I've never tried the Milani brows, so I got that too. I can't wait. I can't wait. I hope it's my shade because it says dark brown, and it looked like that was the darkest shade they had. So hopefully, because usually I do have to wear like a black, so it will be, you know. And then I also got this bronzer from Milani. This is argan oil infused, so I cannot wait to try this. I've never tried that either. I have the eyeshadow palette. I've tried the foundation. I have, of course, lips. And I have my Most Loved Mattes palette that I love. I'm obsessed. So let me go ahead and I'll first start. I'll go right in with the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. So I did get a warmer, I've used this before and I really love it. I did get a little bit of a warmer shade today. Let me go ahead and just take my Real Technique sponge and I'm just going to warm it up on the back of my hand and then go right in with it. This finish is gorgeous. It's nice and dewy. It reminds me exactly of my Too Faced. My favorite foundation right now is my Too Faced Do Me, or Do You. Do You. And this actually looks just like my Too Faced Do You, or the Peach Perfect. I have two of them that I just love, and this is an exact dupe. Wow, that's so gorgeous in real life. Do you ever like put foundation on and it's not just pictures and things like that, it looks good in real life? This is what this is. It looks really beautiful in real life. Like, it just looks so dewy and beautiful, but full coverage. So that's amazing, amazing, amazing. So I did get the concealer too, a Retouch and Erase Light Lifting Concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and use this also as a base for my eyeshadow. So it comes in a really great little squeeze tube with, oh, it came right out. So let me go ahead and put some on. Oh, that's really nice. Oh my god, that feels so good. It just feels very light and gel-like. I'm going to use this on my eyes too, like I said, for the base for my eyeshadow. But let me just go ahead and put this, work this into my skin. This is just melting right into my skin. It's crazy. It's so lightweight, but it's so full coverage. That's insane. Okay, this is seriously one of my new favorite. This is a definite must-have, because this is amazing for every day, but it's also full coverage, so it's really crazy. Let me go ahead and quickly set this before it starts to crease on me. So I'm going to go ahead and reach right into the Milani setting powder. I got the shade 01 Translucent Light to Medium. They had a few different ones, so that's really great. It does look like it has a hint of yellow to it, which I love some warmth in my translucent powder. Like, even the Laura Mercier has some warmth to it. It's not like stark white. So I love that. I can never get these stickers off the inside. It drives me crazy. Do you guys have the same problem? I can never get that sticker off. It's like maddening. And I want to put it on right away before it creases. So let me go ahead and put some in the cap. And let me go ahead and just press that in again, just so we don't get any creasing. And then right away I'll go right in with my same sponge and just push it right into my skin. Oh, that's really beautiful. Wow, this is a beautiful powder. It feels really nice. The color is just perfection because it's not too white. It totally went right into my pores and, like, you know, mattified them. Wow, this is an amazing, this was a great part. I'm so glad I purchased this because I will definitely be using this on the regular. This could seriously replace my Laura Mercier or, you know, my more expensive. Because right now I am using the Kylie translucent powder, which is like $22. And I would love to save on translucent powder because I go through it like water. I'm addicted. I'm addicted to translucent powder because I love a matte finish, and there's nothing like translucent powder for that perfect, you know, poreless look. I'm gonna put some more on and do a little bit of baking here. I'm in love with this powder, seriously. Oh my god, there went my lipstick. Okay, while that's baking, I'm going to go ahead and work on my brows. So I've gotten here the Milani Stay Put Brow Pencil. So it does come with a really nice spoolie. Just see how this works really quickly. Wow. Okay, first of all, this is really awesome because it's not too... Sometimes when I purchase ones that aren't black, they come out kind of orangey. Like an orange or a red undertone, and this doesn't have a red undertone. So, you know, it doesn't look good with my complexion and my hair, but this actually, from what I can see right here, it does look really good. Wow. Because this is brunette. If they have an ebony, usually I do wear ebony brow products. But this is really beautiful. They didn't have it where I was at, so, but this is really creamy. Really, really beautiful. I love how creamy it is. Wow. And it just filled in my brows like nothing. Because to be honest, my other brow pencils that I've been using from Sephora, they take a lot of work to fill in my brows. So this one though just filled in like nothing. Guys, I'm seriously in shock at how amazing this is. Oh my god, I usually have to use a few brow products to get them filled in looking like this. So I'm just going to take some of that concealer and I'll just use that as a base for my eyeshadow. So I just put some of that same concealer right on the back of my hand and I'll just put that all over. And I'm like using a flat-headed brush just so I can carve out my brows. So let me go ahead now and take my Most Love Mattes palette. I'm obsessed with this palette. I love it so much. So I've already done like the warm shades in a different video. So I'm going to try to use that purple today. I've never used that before, so that'll be something different. So first I'm just going to take this color right here. That is Come Up Roses. So now I'm just going to take that white shade and just on a very teeny brush, just kind of place that right all under my brow bone and just to get a nice blend. So now I'm going to take this lilac kind of shade that is No Plum Intended, and I'm just going to pack that right all over my lid, and I'm just using a really small flat shader brush. And I'm just going to smudge this under my eyes also. And let's just go back in with our previous shade and just kind of, you know, buff out that edge. So dolls, I did finished up my eyes. And I'm just going to put on my lashes and then I'll be right back to do the bronzer and the lips. Guys, that was such, ooh, that just took me forever. In all honesty, I would not recommend using the purple shades from that palette. I love that palette. The warm shades are amazing, but the purple shades did not. It just took me so long. It actually got really dark out now, so I had to put on different lights, so that's why it might look different. That just took me like an hour. and it got all over my face, the fallout, so that was pretty bad. So let's just keep it moving, guys. So let me try this new bronzer. I think it's new. Oh, it does smell like coconut, like the Physicians Formula, so that's so nice. So let me just go ahead and carve out. So now finally I could go in with the lip. This is, again, I Am Positive, so I can't wait. As soon as I saw this in the store, I was like, oh, it's gorgeous. So dolls, this is the finished look. I absolutely cannot get over how amazing the majority of these Milani cosmetics are. Oh my god. Actually, all of them. They're all amazing. The concealer, the setting powder. Oh my god, I just saved so much money because they definitely will replace those high-end favorites. I couldn't be happier. This lip is everything. I absolutely love it. This, oh my god, this bronzer is phenomenal, phenomenal. Oh, actually, I got the shade Suntan. So I got the 03 Suntan. That concealer was life. Oh my god, everything. But that's pretty much it. This lip is everything. It feels like one of those long-lasting lipsticks, like a Jeffree Star, so that's amazing. The eyeshadow, I definitely just wish that I had used a primer, and I think it would have came out much better than the concealer, although I do use concealer all the time as my primer, and I've never had an issue, so it just could be that the purples didn't work so good for me. But I know for a fact that the warm shades are amazing. I have a video where I did a tutorial with the warm looks, with the warm shades, and they were incredible. So if you buy that palette and just do warm shades, you are 100% good to go. You're gonna be in love. But the purple shades are gonna be harder to work with, so you can still do it though, but I prefer the warm shades. For the last time, I just threw them on and it came out perfection immediately, so I didn't have to do any work. With these purple shades, I did have to do some work today. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know what your favorite Milani products are. I would love to try, or if you have a favorite Milani lip, please let me know, because I am obsessed with Milani lips. Especially, have you guys tried Cashmere? Because I wanted to get that today, but I only let myself get one shade. Oh, actually I got two. I got Bahama Mama, or Bahama Beige. So I'll try this one next time. It's a nude. I'm sure it's gorgeous. But I gotta try Cashmere. If you guys have tried that, let me know. I would love to hear if you guys think it's worth it, or does it look just like this? Because that's why I was skeptical, because I was like, it looks just like this. Do I need two of kind of the same shade? But what do you guys think? If you have it, let me know. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know again what your Milani favorites are. I can't wait to hear. And definitely, if you have enough Milani products, I want to see your guys' looks. So I'm tagging y'all to do a Milani full face. If you guys got the products, I want to see it. Come on, guys. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks again so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I love you guys so much. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe. It helps me out so much. And you'll be entered into all of my monthly giveaways and all my pop-up giveaways. So it's a lot of fun to subscribe, to hit that subscribe button. So I love you guys so much. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye. I love you.